From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Snyder.
We got our snow, we got our sunshine. There is one last shoe to drop out of this, and that's getting our warmer air back, which I can't help you with this evening or tonight. Can help you with this, though. The sunglasses are a must right now, as drier air and clearing skies have made a cameo. That's great now that it's still daylight, but in a couple of hours it's not going to be any longer, and I feel like we're not going to be quite as enthusiastic about the realities that clear sky will otherwise present. We have been stuck at 32 degrees. We're late enough in the game this afternoon. That's probably going to be our official high on the day. Sun lowers, it sets. These numbers will drop to either side of 20 degrees by tomorrow morning. So when I say either side, that means we're going to be talking about a few spots that get into the upper teens. Here's where that gets interesting in town. Rochester's record low tomorrow morning is 17 degrees from 1972. I feel like it's unlikely we get to that, but on a setup like this, clear sky, if the wind can briefly go calm, stranger things have happened, and it has been a long time since we have set any kind of a record temperature in the cold department. It has been one after another in terms of warm lows, record highs, what have you. Lake effect snow showers are still around, mainly on the southeast side of Syracuse, which is weird because it's not snowing near the lake in Wayne County, but it is 100 miles farther off to the southeast. How come? The fetch has been so short, the air moving so fast over the open water, it doesn't have time to produce lake effect. It needs some help. And the help is the higher elevation as you move inland, which is why you see most of the more aggressive coverage of the snow showers many miles removed from the lake. And often when you see that, it's a sign that the winds are zippy. We didn't necessarily need to be told that. We've known that if you've stepped outside. Tonight you look north, tonight you look west. It is going to be a starlit and moonlit night. Always cool to go check out the moon when you know that you've got Artemis 2 that is still flying around that here. And you're both looking at the same thing as those four astronauts. Temperatures are going to be dropping quickly as the sun goes down. I've got numbers tomorrow much lower than what Future View has, and modeling does not necessarily do well with these kind of setups. That's why. Should do better with the afternoon highs, getting into the low 50s. Good amount of sunshine tomorrow. Clouds come back into Thursday, but that's the warmest one here. We're into the 60s before a few showers develop late in the day. Friday is going to be interesting. Friday's got another one of those setups where there's a frontal boundary draped nearby. It's cold north of it, much warmer south of it. It's a one-size-fits-all forecast that's not going to work here. It's going to be a wide range, but most everybody's going to end up getting rain out of that before it backs off by Saturday. Probably like a quarter to a half an inch of wet weather, you know, enough that it's going to keep the ground squishy, but certainly not a big problem. Ridge of high pressure then starts to build from there. If you want some warmth, and not just like fake spring warmth, that's the kind of setup you want to see. And I see some signs of that warmth on your 8-day forecast.